Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be preparing oxtail. Okay guys, so this has been marinated overnight. It's an oxtail. The pot is already hot. My garlic is burning. So I'm gonna add it to the fire. Now I know a lot of you guys might pressure it, but since I had bought it fresh, it had just came to the store. And I seasoned it right away as I got home and marinated and put it in the bottom of the fridge overnight. I tend to just cook it in a pot. So I'd gone ahead and separate the seasoning from it, which I'll add later on in the cooking. So now I'm just gonna let it simmer and get to a texture, and then I add all the seasoning to it. I had gone ahead and added water to the pot. So of course you see that the texture has changed from red to a brown texture. So I'm just gonna give it about 10 more minutes, then I add some water from the kettle and add the herbs to it. Just added the water. So I'm gonna now leave it for about half an hour to 45 minutes, maybe depending on the texture. So maybe it will be cooked before that, but I'll give it an half an hour and then check back with it. As I told you guys, it's now tender because it was fresh. So you see it's falling off the bone. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add my seasoning to the pot. I had to break the recording for a while because of a battery problem. Guys, look at that. Falling off the bone. A lovely oxtail recipe from seasoning to finish. Gonna go ahead now and add the beans. I wish you could smell it now, guys. I want to say thank you to everyone for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. I've been cooking for many years, and it's like something got into my mind earlier this year and said, why don't you share it with persons? And I did it, and I'm just thankful for all of you comments, people from all over the world, people from India, Dubai, all over watches my video and comment on them. Even some of the famous YouTubers that do cooking also comment on my channel. Debbie Debs, Chef Ricardo, thank you very much for the inspiration. Now if you guys don't know who Debbie Debs is, it's from the Jamaica cooking journey, and she also has a lot of other channels, so you guys can go and check her out. Thanks for the support. You guys stay safe and continue to protect yourself. Okay guys, really nice and tender. So I'm gonna turn off the stove right now. Join me at the table. There you go guys, the finishing touch, alongside with some carrot juice. Oxtail recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipe.